How to buy iTunes or Apple gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video, I will simply show you how you can buy iTunes or Apple gift card online. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy iTunes gift card, what you have to do is open up your browser and then you simply want to come to apple.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down below as well. And once you go to apple.com, here you'll be able to see a list of different products, right? But you just want to tap on the search icon, which is at the top right hand side of the screen. And then here you simply want to type in iTunes gift card. So once you type in iTunes gift card and basically search for it, at the very top you'll find this Apple gift card, right? Just open it up. Here you'll be able to see all of the features relating to this specific Apple gift card over here, as you can see. So what we will do is we'll only just click on the option that says buy. Once you choose the option that says buy, it says how would you like to send it, either via email or via mail. So in this case I'll just select email, and then it'll ask you to choose a design as to what kind of gift card that you want over here. Once you select your desired gift card, you can choose an amount or the dollars worth of gift card that you want to buy. So $25, $50, $100, or some other custom amount, whatever you want in this case. After that, you simply want to enter your delivery details as well, which means your recipient name as well as the recipient address as well. You can clearly see, and then you can also see who is it actually from. So right over here, let me also just go ahead and then actually enter the email address of the account that I'm trying to send it from, and then after that you'll select who is it from. So here as well you can simply select some other account, and then you can also select the sender email address, which you see just like that respectively. Once you've done that, you can also add a personalized message if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. Here you can see it says usually arrives within an hour, so all you have to do is just click on the add to bag option. Once you click on the add to bag option, basically what you need to do is now just go to checkout. Just click on the checkout button, and then you have to fill out the payment details in order to successfully buy this Apple gift card. And that's all it takes to buy your iTunes gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.